we are going to be taking my 2017 Subaru WRX on a drive. I feel like them subie drivers when they racing through the dirt. It's been getting down. Oh shit, we moving. YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy NickStaxz back at it again with another video. And today we are going to be taking my 2017 Subaru WRX on a drive, pretty much POV drive. We have a stock Fa20 2.0 T WRX. No mods done to the car whatsoever. Stock motor, no mods. Only mod is resonator delete with these custom quad tip titanium tip exhaust, pretty much stock exhaust with the resonators gone with custom tips. If you guys enjoyed this POV video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, and we're going to be switching to the GoPro and getting in the car right now.
Is that Subie Nick? Is that Subie Nick?
Yeah, you're supposed to be camera girling right now. What you doing?
You didn't tell me to.
This is how the pattern looks. Only thing that's different from Subie and Nizzy is reverse. You pull this little knob up, which is kind of cool. I like that. Instead of pushing down on the knob for 6th gear, I like that. And it's all the way by itself actually. So let's get this show on the road. All right. This car is low-key pretty fast for a sedan and for being stock. Nice little SI. If I had the opportunity to keep this car, I would. This would make the ultimate daily. But right now, your boy is broke. That big get jiggy. That big get jiggy. You haven't run in this car since it's fixed. I ain't gonna lie, you haven't run in it. Yeah, she's rolling in it when the car had a little problem with the blow-off valve where it kept shutting off.
Well, we had a lot of fun.
Yeah. I'll give you guys a story time. Whenever the car sells, I will give you a story time on how I got this car, what I did to it, and how much I sold it for, you know, so forth, how I always do my videos. But until then, we're just gonna make some lovely content on this 2017 Subaru WRX. Put the windows up real quick. Without an exhaust, this car is pretty nice and quiet, comfy. Suspension is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I love this car. I love that new car feeling compared to, sorry Nizzy, but Nizzy being a 2007, this got 10 years on her. And this thing, I love driving this car. You guys know what's up with the WRX content. If you guys haven't seen, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was making a lot of WRX videos. So if you guys want to tune into more WRX videos, full bolt-on, tuned, E60, you could check out the videos I made on my homie's previous cars. Your boy finally owned one. This is just, you know, a car I wanted to keep, but like I said, who knows what I'm gonna do with it. Probably flip it, probably keep it. Who knows? But yeah, guys, sadly it is raining, which is so gay. God damn, these window wipers are asshole juice. I can't see shit. All right, my peoples. You guys can see again, kinda. That girl ugly. You guys can see again. Thanks to my girlfriend, we came to the gas station, thought they had those squeegee things that I was talking about. They didn't have them shits. So, paper napkin, paper towel will do. All right, back on the road we go. Woohoo! I feel like them subie drivers when they racing through the dirt. Whee! Oh shit, oh man. Watch out, cut. I ain't gonna hit you, cut. Oh fuck, I missed my turn. This shit moving, cut. All right, guys, we back. Just got done finishing another Subaru video. Stay tuned, like I said. Oh, let me put this fucking seatbelt on. This shit is annoying as fuck. Is it yours? Put your seatbelt on, putty. Just put your seatbelt on, girl. Oh, it does not. Seatbelt so we could be safe. This should get down. This should get jiggy. I'm about to low-key put some gas in her. Alright. Here, giving this girl some good old gas, you feel me? 93. Shy. Don't be shy. You get them scared. You never vlogged in person? You never vlogged in public, huh?
What's your choice?
Come on, man. This is a nice car, man. Very nice car. Ooh, that Jeep sound good. That shit sound good. Look, you got a little exhaust on that thing. Watch your back.
They better watch out with me. What a L vlogger. He didn't even tell y'all anything.
Huh? $15. Would I like my receipt? No. Alright, y'all. I'm about to give y'all a little pull. It's probably going to be the only pull because I don't want to blow this shit up. You know how Subarus get. Here we go. First gear, 20. Get down. It's been getting down. Oh shit, we moving. Whee! Fuck, I missed a turn. Ay, Dios mío, puñeta. let me slow my black ass down before I end up in fucking prison. Driving like a fucking hooligan. That shit got your panties wet?
It's still like Nizzy more.
Damn, she's still like Nizzy more. Yeah, Nizzy get them panties wet, guys. Subie can't do it, man. It's crazy.
Quiet.
Too quiet, right? She don't scream. Nizzy with them headers. She scream just like, yeah, both. You know what? Never mind. Let me just shut up. have both of them screaming. Yeah, guys, that concludes the Subaru POV drive. Car drives so smooth, drives like a dream. I love the way this car drives. Should you get one? I think you should. Will it blow up? Possibly. One of them perks of having this motherfucking new thing though. Damn, I'm looking kind of close. Hold on, guys, I gotta fix myself. I'm over here trying to fucking vlog and drive and shit. It's not coming out too good. Give me a second, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed this POV video. If you guys did, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel and want to see more Subaru content, Z content, any content in Florida, man, car vibes, even vlogs, make sure you guys subscribe. Oh my God, guess what? It's a puti and a subie.
You thought you ate.
I ain't nothing yet. Y'all would've been screaming. You finna be eating this. Huh? What'd you say?
Nothing.
Oh look, your cup matches the center console. That means you need to buy it off me, huh?
$15 is the best I could do.
See. You do payments in that mouth.
That's the wrong type of M.
You can do payments with that that fat, big, juicy, voluptuous
Back. Come on, I'm ready to go to my mom's house. I'm fucking starving. I'm about to slap this fucking camera out your fucking face.